Hi guys, my name Nur Ain Safia binti Baharudin. My student ID is 20244222924.
Hi, my name is Nurlana Hanan binti Muhammad Hamka and my student ID is 20244263004.
Hello, my name is Mia Zahra binti Muhammad Izwan and my student ID is 20246912626.
Hello guys, we are from class AS1201N and here we want to share about acid rain.
Definition of acid rain. Acid rain or acid deposition refers to any form of precipitation with acidic components. Acid rains result when sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide are released into the atmosphere and transport sunlight in the air current. The sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form sulfuric and nitric acids. These eventually mix with water and other materials before falling to the ground. The pH of acid rain is generally below 4.5 on the scale.
So, what is the causes of acid rain? Acid rain is caused by the release of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere where they react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals in the air. It will become sulfuric NH acids that mix with precipitation and fall to the ground. Precipitation is considered acidic when its pH level is around 5.2 or below, since the normal pH for normal rain is about 5.6. However, more commonly, acid rain is caused by human activities. For example, burning fossil fuels, manufacturing, and vehicles all release sulfur and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere.
Now we move to how acid rain forms. Acid rain forms when NOx plus H2O, that will be HNO3, and we call acid nitric. Then when SO plus O2, it will be SO3, we call it sulfur trioxide. Then when SO3 plus H2O, that will be H2SO4, and we call sulfuric acid. Now we move to acid rain pathway. Acid rain pathway is when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide are released into atmosphere from human activities such as burning fossil fuels. Then the cloud is condensation making and it will be SO4 2 minus plus H plus the water. So from this process, there will be acid rain.
Acid rain, or also can be known as acid deposition, can be divided into two types, which are wet deposition and dry deposition. Wet deposition is rain, snow, and fog that has become more acidic than normal. Whereas dry deposition is when aerosols, gases, and dust particles become acidic. Acid rain can cause many effects to non-living things, living things, and even soil. For non-living things, it can damage many objects like buildings, statues, monuments, and cars. Whereas for living things, acid rain can cause health problems in people. Air pollution like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide can cause respiratory disease or make this disease worse. Respiratory disease like asthma or chronic bronchitis makes it hard for people to breathe. Acid rain also can be extremely harmful to forests. Acid rain that seeps into the ground can dissolve nutrients like magnesium and calcium that needs for the tree to be healthy.
Solution for acid rain. First, save energy. Minimize on using electrical equipment. Second, stricter emission regulation. Use a filter in air conditioning. Third, clean air and enforcement, avoid doing an open burning. 4. Reduce fossil fuel reliance, use public transport to reduce air pollution from vehicles.
Now, we want to share about how acid rain affect the buildings and environment. Look at this picture. Left picture was taken in 1908 and right picture was taken in 1968. Acid rain can dissolve and alternate marble and limestone. It crumbles stone and leaves a blackened crust on it. The dry deposition of acidic particles lead to the corrosion of metals such as bronze.
The Taj Mahal's white marble deteriorates due to this acid rain. The dry deposition like ash and gases adhere to the monument's outer surface and has made the Taj Mahal turning pale and yellow. Since the soil has become more acidic due to acid rain, plant can grow well as the key to the plant nutrition, which are calcium and magnesium, has been removed. So, the ground's content is depleted and plants grow worse off than they used to, weak and sickly.
Acid rain also can cause skin irritation to humans. In this picture, the author shared their experience during his travel to Beijing. They had experienced the skin irritation after the rainwater hit the back of his legs. It caused his leg to burn and some rash began to appear on it.
Conclusion: acid rain is a harmful environmental issue caused by pollution from human activities, like burning fossil fuels. It damages plants, animals, buildings, and water sources. Reducing emissions and using cleaner energy sources can help protect the environment and reduce its effects.
This is an evidence to confirm the attached picture.
Prepare 2 pieces of limestone or cement, 2 clear cups or jars, white vinegar which is an acid, water and marking pen. Label the cups with V for vinegar and W for water. Put the rocks into each cup. Add water to the cup that label with W and vinegar to the cup that label with V.
Observe the reaction in both of the cups. The limestone have clay in it which give them a yellow-brown color, and some calcite that are in white color. When acid reacts with limestone, it releases carbon dioxide gas.
Leave the experiment overnight and check it on the next day. When we pour out both of the liquid and look at the rocks, rock that has been in the vinegar is brittle and easy to break. It is because the rock composition now is only full of clay, since the limestone has already been dissolved by the acid. Meanwhile, the rock that has been in the water is still strong and do not leave clay on the hand.
Last but not least, this is the list of references that we have used in order to the research on our topic.
I think that's all from us for this topic. Hopefully our viewers gain more information about acid rain. Thank you for watching.